Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to have a product review of this Sakura Koi coloring brush pen 24 color set. What's written is it's blendable, odorless, transparent color, and water-based ink. At the back part are the colors and also the price, which is 1,800 pesos on National Bookstore, but I bought this on Shopee for only 921 pesos because I use Shopee coins, but the actual price is 1,035 pesos. The link of the shop will be provided on the description box. I bought this set of 24 colors, but it has a set of 6, 12, 24, and 48. So I'm gonna show to you the brush tip. So it's not that soft or not that smooth, but it's very flexible when you write. So this is the tip looks like. Now I'm gonna share the swatches of the colors of the Sakura Koi coloring brush pen. Let's proceed on the Sakura Koi coloring brush pen swatches. I have here a pen. What's written is Koi coloring brush pen water-based dye stuff ink, and the color of the pen was written. So the color of this pen is iris. I'm gonna swatch them based on their colors. I also include the thick and thin strokes. And this is the purple. The colors are really vibrant and bright. Absolutely, I love them. And this is the Prussian blue. The brush is very smooth and flexible. And it can have the thick and thin strokes. And this is the blue one. The next is this sky blue. This is my favorite color. And this is the light sky blue, but I had a difficulty writing because the brush tip is very soft, but still managed to have its swatches. Like what I've said a while ago, this costs 1,035 on Shopee. It is cheaper compared to other shops on Shopee and on mall priced. Definitely, each brush pen costs around 43 pesos each. Yes, and then other shops on Shopee selling them around 70 pesos, 80 pesos each brush pen. So you can buy retail. Yes, it depends on what color you want. You can search on Shopee, Sakura Koi coloring brush pen. But I put the link of the shop on where I bought this product. So here I have the brown colors, the shades of brown. Actually, I highly recommend this brush pen since it is easy to control. Unlike with other brush pens that they are not that flexible, they are not that smooth. But definitely this is one of the best brush pens I ever had. And the advantage is that I got this for lower price and I use Shopee coins to lessen it. So definitely a good buy for me. And the last one is the black color. We're finally done. So now I'm going to try to blend the colors. I have here the pink and the purple, and I'm going to use a Tupperware container to put the ink of the purple, and then I'm going to use the other one to get the ink from it. And then I'll start writing. The pen is very smooth and easy to control, and as you can see, it really blends well. And now I'm going to try another colors to blend. Next, another blending technique, which is the dark to light blending. So I'll use the lilac, or it's like a light pink color for the base. Then I'm going to use the purple color on the upper part, which serves as the dark color. You can also check out my video 5 ways on how to blend markers on my YouTube channel. You can check it out, guys, and get some tips on how to blend the markers. And then afterwards, I'm going to use the iris. Make sure that the colors are really complementing each other so that it will look nice. And then afterwards, I'm going to use the pink color. And then lastly, the lilac, or somehow the light pink, which I've used a while ago. And you can also use water brush to blend it perfectly. And then you can also add some shadows. I'm going to use this Little Hands coloring pen, the gray one. I also had a product review on this. You can also check it out, guys. So for my final words on this brush pens, I definitely recommend this product, this brush pens, because the colors are really vibrant and I got it for lower price and definitely a good buy for me, and it's easy to control and very flexible. So I'm going to rate this 10 out of 10.